10 places to visit in London. The British Museum. This museum contains a vast collection of artifacts from around the world, including the Rosetta Stone and the Elgin Marbles. The Tower of London. This historic castle has been a royal palace, a prison, and a fortress throughout its nearly 1,000-year history. The London Eye. This giant Ferris wheel offers incredible panoramic views of the city and is one of the most popular tourist attractions in London. Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the British monarch. This palace features beautiful architecture and the famous changing of the guard ceremony. Westminster Abbey. This iconic church has been the site of many royal weddings and coronations and contains the tombs of many famous figures from British history. The Tate Modern. This contemporary art museum is located in a former power station and features works by some of the world's most famous artists. The National Gallery. This museum houses a collection of over 2,000 paintings from the 13th to 20th centuries, including works by Van Gogh, Da Vinci, and Rembrandt. St. Paul's Cathedral. This historic church is one of London's most recognizable landmarks and features stunning architecture and beautiful stained glass windows. Camden Market. This bustling street market is a great place to shop for unique souvenirs and try delicious street food from around the world. Covent Garden. This lively neighborhood is home to street performers, shops, restaurants, and the famous Royal Opera House. Thanks for watching.